So those clips are from a commercial I made with AI, using Kling AI's new Omni model. I'm going to walk you through the process of how I created this with some tips and tricks along the way so that you can create something similar. So the first thing is we need something to advertise. So for this video, I'm going to invent a random product based on a little joke I had with my wife, and let's see if we can turn this product idea into a commercial. Now the most important thing here is we're going to attack this as if we are a director of a commercial. We have a product, we have a rough idea for the concept, we're going to break it up into stages and see if Kling AI can help us go from idea to commercial. So what we've done is we've used ChatGPT to start to create the first image of the scene. That includes the character holding the phone and the grocery store surrounding. Put that image into Kling AI as a reference. We're going to act like the director. Describe the scene, how we want the animation to work. You see we've got this camera section in here describing how we want the camera to move, and then in a few minutes Kling AI will produce something like this. This is the first scene Kling AI's created from our brief. So the next tip when using Kling AI is to get that consistency. We want the next scene to pick up exactly from where this scene left off. So what we can do is we can press extract frame. With extract frame, you're able to use this picker to find the exact point you want your scene to take off. You press capture. This will update the reference or the beginning scene for the next frame generation. So now we've updated our start point, we put our prompt in, man holds device, listening intently, we have the camera instructions in there, and we create scene 2. So now we have 10 seconds of our ad. So we repeat this process multiple times until we end up with an ad like this.
Is everyone ready?
We've all been there. Cold sweats, panic, confusion. You can't find your spouse anywhere in the store and they won't answer texts. Introducing Locate a Spouse. Locate a Spouse emits a car-like beeping noise near your partner, like a car in a parking lot, subtly guiding you straight to them, relieving the symptoms of panic, anxiety, and confusion instantly. Couples that use Locate a Spouse experienced happier evenings and a sudden reduction in marital therapy bills. Ask your doctor if Locate a Spouse is suitable for you.
Locate a spouse, keeping them inside to keep them in your life.
Side effects of Locate a Spouse include accidental tracking of strangers, realizing your partner was hiding from you on purpose, sudden onset of mild marital resentment, and the sound of constant beeping. Do not use Locate a Spouse if you are actively trying to avoid your family.
So the biggest tip if you want to create good AI video is you have to think like a director. Now this might be hard if you're not a director like me. Organise your shots in the way you want them to happen and shoot those shots individually. Keeping the shots more constrained will make it easier to have the AI match your vision and also make it easier to keep consistency between different scenes. My other tip when using Kling AI is it's entirely possible to create multiple variations for a given prompt. Now, until you're really happy with your prompt, I would create one generation first, otherwise you're going to burn through those tokens. So, is it perfect? Absolutely not. But for someone like me who could never have created an ad like this without camera crews, production teams, stock footage, I was able to create something in less than an hour, and with some tweaking could be really high quality. Tools like this are not going to replace your big movie studios or your creatives, but they're giving people like me the tools to create and bring ideas to life that before was never possible. And in the right hands of an experienced movie director, producer, I'm sure they could create some really compelling content. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel or comment below with your creations from Kling, or let us know any other content you'd like to see from this channel.